Let's talk about destiny swapping today. Who is a destiny swapper? A destiny swapper is a person who sees another person and admires their life. They love their lifestyle, their job, maybe how everything is. And then they move away from liking and now they want to be you. So normally a person who does destiny swapping, or who the destiny swapper, is someone actually who knows you. It can be someone who knows you through a friend, it can be your siblings, could be your friends, can be your client, can be your workmate, but at least someone who knows you. You can find I can give an example, like maybe in a job. Someone can like how you do your job, like your position, the salary you get, but instead they will now want to make sure they walk in that shoe. So in a destiny swapper will start fighting you, doing anything to see that you move out of the position you are in, and they are the ones who take over. I hope now that is clear. That's how destiny swappers do. They fight you to bring you down, and then they want to take over your place. But the funny thing is, with the destiny swapping, when the destiny is yours, most times God assigned it for you. So however much someone else comes to fight you, even if they win, there is a way they fail in one way. So a year ago, I had some of the biggest challenges I have ever faced in my life. So I went to church and I met one of the priests, I met one of the cardinals, and he sat me down. And that's when he told me about destiny swapping, calling your power back, and seeing how to make sure the persons who are stealing your energy, your destiny, your blessings, you call your power back. Once you call your power back, the people ruining your life, the people stealing your destiny, the people benefiting from your destiny, their life starts crumbling. That priest told me how powerful our tongues are, because our lives are so spiritual and there is a physical realm too. So in this physical life, we meet so many people and entities that fight us. You can be the younger, someone is seriously bewitching you and you have no idea. And so many people can benefit from your destiny. It can be even more than one person. So he told me, try when everything was going down, like everything is going down. And he told me, don't even wish your enemy bad. Go kneel down in your quiet room and then start praying. But in your prayer, ask God to take away every blessing that is meant for you from people who are draining your energies. If anyone is stealing your destiny, just call your power back. You can sit and pray and also start chanting, I call my power back. If you know the person's name who is ruining your life, who is stealing your destiny, put that person's name in your prayer. I call my power back from so and so. I call my power back. Anyone stealing my destiny, I take my power back. In Jesus' name, say it. And if you have a feeling like a particular person benefits from your energy, the blessings, your prayer, but that person has betrayed you totally, call your power back. And then you find everything will start crumbling from that person who has been stealing your destiny. If they're benefiting from your good luck. Like, let me say you've been trying to pray so much for a success, and then success happens, and then a particular person, maybe you're working with a particular person, and then that person betrays you. Call your power back. Call your power and blessings back to you. In your prayer, just pray every beautiful thing back into your life. Don't wish that person bad, but just call on only your power back. And you find you also have to make sure you cut the energies off. Calling your power back means you also have to see how to detach from the people betraying you. If they're benefiting from your energy, like, let me see, through hurting you, they get, like, their life progresses. Through mistreating you, their life feels much better. Disconnect and call your power back. You'll find all the blessings start withdrawing. That person's life starts crumbling. If they stole your job, their position also crumbles. If they stole your relationship, that relationship crumbles. But you have to keep calling your power back until you settle and see how to redirect your blessings. And that's how you get your destiny back.